Hi there, students. Sedulous, an adjective. Sedulously, the adverb. And I guess as well a noun, sedulousness. Okay, sedulous is a synonym for assiduous. We had this the other day. If somebody is sedulous, they're careful and they use a lot of effort to achieve their objective. So the sedulous craftsmanship put into this piece makes it very valuable. I have a feeling that most of the students who watch my videos are very sedulous. Yeah, they're careful and they use a lot of effort. Sedulous, diligent, thorough. Yeah? So he's a sedulous, assiduous student. He works very hard, he's very careful, he wants to make sure that everything is exactly right. So, yeah, sedulous craftsmanship, persevering, not giving up. I think maybe sedulous has more an idea of never give up, never give in. Assiduous is more attention to care, but the two words are very close. Yeah, diligent in pursuit of your objectives. Yeah, you need to be sedulous when doing accountancy. Yeah, you need to be diligent, engaged, industrious. Notice sedulous has this idea of active as well. Yeah, he is very sedulous in his job. Yeah, he is very assiduous, sedulous attention, and assiduous industriousness. Okay, so sedulous, persevering and constant effort. Yeah, very diligent. So he is always trying to ingratiate himself with sedulous flattery, persistent, continued, maintained, persevering. Yeah, a sedulous character. This is a good word to describe a person. Yeah, they are persevering, they're diligent, they never give up. He worked sedulously. Yeah, his sedulous concentration was assiduously watched by the people present. Okay, so sedulous, earnest and persistent, not giving up. Yeah, diligent in your application of something. So I want you to sedulously listen to this video and then afterwards sedulously produce several examples. Sedulousness is, in my opinion, one of the factors that leads to success, because you get things correct and you never give up. Okay, so sedulous is a really good characteristic. Okay, let's see, sedulous, how formal is this? This sounds very literary. You can't use sedulous in an informal conversation. I think I'd give it 6.5, 7 in formality. This is for semi-formal or formal writings. Yeah, informally careful, diligent, persevering. Well, persevering is probably a little bit more formal. Steadily industrious, hard-working and careful. Okay, as to origin, well, another one from Latin, sedulous, meaning diligent, industrious, zealous. Probably from sedulo, okay, diligently, carefully. Yeah, maybe from split up into se, a prefix meaning without, and dolo or dolus, without deceit, without malice. Okay, so yeah, if you concentrate hard, you're doing it without malice. So, sedulous, assiduous, industrious, hard-working, diligent and concentrating. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Sedulous.